I don't take the bus.
What you got there?
This, my friend, is the deconstructor.
Nifty! My kind of party!
What would an admin like Lex Luthor want with the Joker?
It's a riddle.
Oh, come on! It's my thing. This time, I'm going to pull Batman apart. Literally.
Run.
Hi, guys.
Wow!
Calm down.
Calling all Justice League.
We're here to see Lex Luthor.
And you are?
Seriously? Come on, cheer up, Sourpuss.